Replacing the foam. Place a layer of cotton on top of the webbing. Okay, might sound boring. Mark the middle at all sides. Fasten with some staples. You can use 6mm staples here. As you can see, I work from side to side. Fold the cotton and fasten with some staples. Cut off the excess of cotton. I show you the method of the previous video here. Cut a bevel edge and spray the foam as well as the wood. Wait a little and carefully stick the foam on. Another way is like this. Put your frame onto the foam. This is 3 cm 1.2 inch thick. Draw a line 1 cm bigger than the frame by holding your marker slant to the edge of the frame. Cut out the foam with a foam cutter. Put some lats under the foam to give your foot a little bit of space for movement. Clean the nozzle of the adhesive spray and stick the foam onto the frame, except at the edges. Spray both surfaces. And now the trick. Hold the nose of your staple gun against the edge of the foam. Use 10mm staples here. Fasten the foam. Do so for all sides. You will get a nice rounded edge. As you can see, there will be dents left. We will get rid of them, so don't worry.